Good day, I am Ana Miravilla Biti Nambutan.
And I'm Manny Magallanes.
So today, we are going to present our system entitled LibroHub City Library. So this is the outline of our presentation. Introduction, web page interface, mobile app interface, purpose of the system, potential challenges, and implementation and library resources. Introduction. LibroHub City Library is an online platform for booking, reserving, and borrowing books from city libraries. It provides customers with a simple way to access the extensive collection of books accessible in their local libraries via an intuitive internet interface. Users can browse the library catalog, reserve books online, and arrange pickup or delivery, which simplifies the borrowing procedure and promotes reading in communities. LibroHub City Library strives to connect readers and city libraries, making it easier to explore, discover, and enjoy the world of books.
Web page interface. Sa first picture makita na to ning kaning login, sign up, mao ning atong makita pag atong i-search ang LibroHub City Library sa atong website, sa atong computer, sa laptop. Then sa second picture mao ning mugawas pag ipinduto na to ang login. Makita na to diri is mobile number or email, mao dato atong ibutang, din password. Then sa third picture mao ning ang ato makita pag ipinduto na to ang sign up. And then pag nakasulod na ta sa atong website, makita na to diri isang search button. So pag mag-search na ta, makita na to aning sa second picture mao ning mugawas. Mobile app interface. So sa first picture mao niya to makita pag same ra to sa atong nakita sa first na picture gay na sa interface, sa web interface, ang login, sign up. Then sa second picture mao ra gyapon same ra sila dito sa web page interface, pero mas gipaduol siya, then mas klaro siya. Mao ni pud ang mugawas pag i-search na to sa sa search.
Purpose of the system. The LibroHub City Library website aims to make it easier for customers of the library to book and borrow books. It provides a simple platform for consumers to search for available titles, reserve books online, and manage their borrowing schedules. This improves the whole library experience by making books more accessible and efficient, resulting in increased community involvement with library resources. Potential challenges: users interface, technical issues, data security, users authentication, overbooking, cancellation, and refunds. Implementation. Na-implement siya at Butuan City.
Librarian resources. So mao ni atong resources sa atong LibroHub City Library.
Conclusion. LibroHub, the online booking system for the city library, provides a smooth experience for making reservation and checking out books. LibroHub facilitates easy access to their huge collection, enabling users to explore and interact with books, thereby promoting a lively reading culture within the community.
LibroHub transformed the conventional and library experience, making it more approachable and pleasurable for everyone with an intuitive interface and effective service.
So that's all for our presentation.
Thank you for listening.
And a good